Hi, Jess here from your Cranston YMCA. Today we're going to do a really fun activity. I call this game Marble Run. All you're going to need is an empty cereal box, so please check with your mom and dad to make sure the cereal box is okay to use. You need some empty toilet paper rolls, an empty paper towel roll, which if you don't have it, you can use the toilet paper rolls, a pair of scissors, and a roll of tape. And what we did was we cut a hole in the front of the box, and then we added the paper towel rolls and the toilet paper rolls. And my assistant right here, Gracie, is going to show us how we get the marble from the top of the box to the end. So go ahead, Gracie, put the marbles in. Whoops, try that again.
Okay. Okay, Mommy.
Uh-oh, what happened?
I got it. It's right there.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Try it again.
I taped it up.
Go ahead, do it again.
Okay.
One more time. Third time's the charm. Drop it. There we go! And that is Marble Run. Have some fun.